Welcome to the bonus part. So like I said, I wasn't going to do a part 3, but I figured let's do the teeth also so that you can know how to do it. So once again, I'm going to flatten this by pressing Command E, or just merge it, whatever. I just want to do the teeth, and the teeth is not really a big thing though. So we want to fix that. Say for instance, you need to do teeth on the portrait. This is going to be the quickest way to show you. So I'm just going to make a selection by going to my quick selection tool. You can press W for the shortcut. It will go to the last quick selection or selection tool you used. So the mother one is the quick selection, and I'm just going to make a selection of the teeth. You don't need to be very precise, because you can always put a mask on the and brush away what you don't want. I'm just gonna try my best to do a better selection. Cool, so that's fine. I'm gonna go to my adjustment icon over here, and then I'm gonna go to my hue and saturation. So that just made so because I made a selection first and I opened up my hue and saturation adjustment, it's basically gonna create a mask with that selection in it. So if I change anything here, only the teeth is gonna change, as you can see there. So what we want is, I'm just gonna play around quickly and show you guys what I want. But you can do this, you can just go back the grain and you go a bit lighter, and you don't want to do too much. Cool. I'm gonna change that and just see something. This is also a very good way to change colors, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna make that, lighten my luminosity. Remember, you don't want it gray, you don't want that, you want just enough. Cool, so instead of that, we have that, we have that. Cool, so now we can see what we can paint away in the corners. I would want that away, so I'm painting with, on the mask I'm painting with black to hide. Because remember, if you paint with white, it's going to reveal all your adjustments that you made to that specific layer mask. We just want a section of what we need. Cool. So I would also take the fall, bring it a bit down, so we can see, because you don't want to make it look fake. I would say 60%. Before, after. I would say that's enough. If you want to be picky, you can always go in and then clone some of the stuff that you don't like. Let's just do it so I can show you guys what I mean. If you want to be perfect, you can clone away some of the stuff you don't really like in here. If you really want to get detailed, you can do all of this. I just wanted to show you how you can easily remove the yellows from any teeth you're working with. No, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is make this gap a bit smaller. Alright, I just wanted to make that a bit smaller, and there you have it. Now we have a portrait we can upload to Instagram, wherever. Okay, so that's the bonus step, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.